I mean, lots of jobs have been affected by the pandemic, but nobody's really talking about ours.
We're burglars, obviously.
Right.
And it's been tough because everyone is home right now.
Yeah, we've been getting caught a lot lately.
Nobody's going to work during the day.
Nobody's going out at night. We even tried going outside of the city to rob vacation homes, and that was a bust.
I mean, to tell you the truth, it's honestly getting kind of embarrassing.
Before COVID, business was booming, but when you don't go to work, we can't go to work. Your home is our office.
Has it been hard? Yeah. It's been hard. I mean,
Definitely.
It's affected the whole burglar community.
And I've been doing this for 40 years. Now I'm taking classes at community college.
We've gotten so desperate, we've had to start getting creative.
We've started porch pirating.
Which isn't ideal, because you just never know what you're getting. I mean, what are we going to do with a vacuum hose and a book on chinchillas?
But the Etsy ones are the weirdest. So it's been tough, but on the upside, we have been using this time to sharpen our skills.
Right, yeah, we've also been boosting our tolerance against self-defense devices, tasers.
Pepper spray.
Do we feel bad about being burglars? Not
really.
I mean, we only rob the wealthy.
Yeah, we're like Robin Hood, we steal from the rich and give to the poor, and we're the poor.
Yeah, plus, we're vital to the economy. Home security is a multi-billion-dollar industry.
Right, without us, you wouldn't have them.
So to those who say we're criminals, we say we're job creators.
Yeah, we just gotta get through this rough patch.
Yeah.
So is everything in your house stolen?
Oh, we don't live here. Sorry,
Hi.
we thought you were
Lovely
out
home.
of town.